Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. OpenAI is officially stepping into the browser game with its brand new AI-powered web browser called ChatGPT Atlas. This could be a serious threat to Google Chrome and might completely change how we browse the internet. Imagine a browser that already has an AI assistant built in, one that can read the page you're on, answer questions, help you shop, or even fill out forms. That's exactly what OpenAI is aiming for. Chrome might finally have a real challenger. ChatGPT Atlas is launching first for macOS users, with Windows, iOS, and Android versions coming later. The browser features a ChatGPT sidebar built right in, so you can instantly summarize articles, analyze data, or rewrite text without switching tabs. It also has a new feature called Agent Mode for premium users, allowing the AI to carry out entire tasks for you, like researching trips or finding deals online. Privacy is also a big focus. By default, your browsing data won't be used to train OpenAI's models, and you have full control over what the browser remembers. And since Atlas is built on Chromium, it supports most Chrome extensions, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue. Now, why is this such a big deal? Chrome dominates the market with more than 2/3 of all users worldwide. If Atlas takes off, OpenAI could redefine web browsing, turning it from typing and clicking into something conversational and interactive. But this also raises big questions. If AI can summarize everything for you, will people still visit websites directly? That could impact publishers and advertisers across the internet. Let's break down some pros and cons. Pros. Built-in AI tools could save tons of time by summarizing and simplifying tasks. It combines browsing and ChatGPT into one platform. Chromium support means familiar extensions will still work. Cons. Currently macOS only, everyone else will have to wait. Privacy and data collection will always be concerns with any AI-based tool. Since it's new, there could be bugs or compatibility hiccups early on. Websites might lose visitors if users rely too much on AI summaries. As for Google, they're not backing down. They're pushing their Gemini AI directly into Chrome, so this could spark a new AI browser war. And soon, using a browser won't just mean loading web pages. It'll mean chatting, generating, and interacting in real time. If you're a Mac user, definitely give Atlas a try and see what the future of browsing looks like. For everyone else, it's worth watching. This could be the biggest change to web browsers since Chrome itself. So what do you think? Will OpenAI's new browser replace Chrome, or is it just hype? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you found this video interesting, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.